Hello everyone, Neil from Merch Informer here. Today I wanted to go over how to sign up for Merch by Amazon and a few tips and tricks that will help you get accepted quicker than the average person. So the first thing you want to do if you're not familiar with the Merch by Amazon program is go to Google, go to your favorite search engine and just type in Merch by Amazon and hit go. And you'll see it right here. The URL is merch.amazon.com. Now, if you aren't familiar, what it is a print-on-demand service by Amazon that's going to allow you to upload images to their server, and then that will create a royalty-generating ASIN that will pay you every single time someone purchases a shirt. So your designs are going to be put on shirts, which will go live on Amazon, and then all Amazon customers will be able to find that shirt via keyword. If they like the shirt, they will purchase it, and then Amazon will give you a royalty. It is free to join. It is super simple to master, and you can make a full-time income and even, way more than your current income is probably giving you if you just master this program. But the first thing you need to do is apply. And it takes anywhere between a few weeks if you're really lucky. I've even heard of some people waiting for over a year to get accepted, but you need to apply, and you need to apply right now. So the way to do that, you search Merch by Amazon, merch.amazon.com, and click this. You're going to be brought to the landing page. It's going to tell you exactly how it works. You can set your own royalties. You don't have to carry in any inventory at all, which is why I jumped on it almost 2 years ago. You get prime shipping. You can reach all the customers on Amazon. And by the way, Amazon has a lot of customers. So you can take advantage of that. They're even bringing on brand partners such as Disney, Marvel, The Walking Dead. So it's definitely a growing program, but there's still so much room to make money. So when you come over to this landing page here, you're going to want to click this button right here. It says Request Invitation. Alright, once you are logged in, you're going to be brought to this Request Invitation form. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put your organization name. Now, if you are just doing this by yourself, you would enter in your full name. But since I'm going to sign up under a company profile, or if you have an LLC or an Inc., this is where you would put that. So we're just going to type in Merch Informer because that is my brand. So it's going to ask you to put in a website. It says it's optional. If you want to speed up the process, this should not be optional, okay? Amazon Merch wants you to have, or wants to look to see if you have an audience, because they want you to drive traffic to their site. Okay, it's great to rely on organic traffic, and it does work, but if you have an outside audience, this is great for Amazon because they see, okay, if I accept this person, they're going to be driving traffic to Amazon, which makes them more money. So clearly they're going to be happy about that. So put in a website. Then you're going to want to select an industry type. Now, Merch Informer develops, a SaaS software. So we're going to put app developer. But if you were coming in here and you were looking, normally what most people pick is a novelty t-shirt business. So you can pick that. You won't have to enter anything else. Otherwise, you can put app developer, app title. Is your app in the Amazon App Store? When I look at this, it looks like they're looking more at mobile apps. So maybe I'll just pick, novelty t-shirt business. Perhaps I'd pick a brand, maybe a small business. Okay, so we'll just pick small business. It's going to ask additional information. Now, it does say optional, but again, I would definitely fill this out with some sort of information that tells them, what kind of audience you have, if anything. Now, if you don't have an audience or you don't have a website, I'm going to link down below of this description another video we're going to do, or an article that I've written that goes over exactly how to set up a website, which makes you look, a little more legit in the eyes of Amazon. So for additional information, you're going to want to fill this out. So what we might say is that we have created a software as a service for merch by Amazon sellers, and we bring more eyeballs and teachings to the merch community. Okay, it kind of gives them an idea of what our brand does. It shows them that yes, we are willing to drive traffic to merch, help people optimize their listings. We help people with their research to make sure that they're not wasting their slots on non-selling designs. It kind of just gives Amazon an idea of why should they accept you over Joe Schmo down the street who doesn't have a website, doesn't have an audience, just wants to try this out, right? They want to prioritize people who are going to make them more money. You need to just demonstrate to Amazon why that person is you and not the person that is not filling out this information. So once you have this information, filled out, you're just going to want to send a request. Now you're going to see your request has been sent. Thank you for requesting an invitation to Merch by Amazon. We're reviewing your request and we'll notify you by email. 2 things to keep in mind. If you log in at merch.amazon.com and you still see an invitation form, don't fill it out again. It just means that you haven't been accepted yet and they're still looking at your invitation. Now, as I said, this can take a few weeks up to a year. Now, hopefully it's faster than that because you filled out that other information, but you just need to be patient. The second thing that you need to be aware of is that they don't always send you an email when they accept you. I'm not sure why, but every few weeks I would go in and I would just try to log in. Okay, now if you see the page that's asking you to fill out an invitation, it means you haven't been accepted. But if you log in and you see the page where it says how many products you have live or how much royalties you've made in the last week, that means you have been accepted and you should upload some designs right away. So this has just been a quick video of how to apply and how to increase your chances of being accepted. If you are looking for some information of how to get a website up and going, makes you look a lot more legitimate in Amazon's eyes, click the link down below. It should be either a video or a guide that I've written. It's going to go over how the easiest way to get a website, up and running if you aren't very technical. It's pretty simple. So click that down below. If you like the video, give us a like. Make sure to subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the other side. Thanks.